Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to withdraw funds when using Tradingview. It's important to understand how broker connections work, since Tradingview is a charting platform and not a wallet. Let's get started. To withdraw, all we need to do is click on Trade in the upper right corner of the dashboard. From there, we just need to choose which broker we want to withdraw from and log into our account. For example, if we use Binance, we simply connect to Binance, and our Binance account links to our wallet so we can withdraw. Tradingview does not have a wallet, so withdrawals cannot be made directly through Tradingview. Tradingview works as a partner with your broker, so we need to connect to our broker, such as Binance, and then from Binance, we connect it to our wallet to withdraw our funds. By going through our connected broker, we can securely access and withdraw our money.